Hello kids, how are you? Today we will try to learn capital letters. Get to start and like subscribe my YouTube channel. Capital A. A for aeroplane. Next, capital B. B for butterfly. Next kids, capital C. C for cake. And capital D. D for dog. Capital E. E for elephant. Next, capital F. F for fish. Let's learn capital letter. A to Z capital letter. Yellow color. A. A for aeroplane. And A for ant. Next, red color. Capital B. B for butterfly. And B for bird. Next, sky blue color. Capital C. C for cake. And C for camel. Next, green color. Capital E. E for elephant. And D for dog. Next kids, capital E. E for elephant. And E for eagle. Color E. E for elephant. Blue color. Capital F. F for fish. And F for fly. Color E. Let's learn capital letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you kids.